This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a remote start feature, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear window defroster, fog lamps, privacy glass, brake assistance technology, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, and a vehicle anti-theft system. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.